Masood Al Awar, you're the Chief Executive Officer for Tasweek Real Estate. Could you give us some background into the company?
Our company, from the day of inception, had adopted three investment strategies: acquiring discounted assets or strategic assets, investing into joint venture with developer, contractor that can add value, or doing mezzanine financing. And we have organized our medium, short and long term, our objectives to be met. On those, we acquired our first acquisition. We have done it also in the DIFC, real estate in Dubai, income-bearing assets. So then we announced we thought the best way to move forward is to put a portfolio of a real estate portfolio. We announced it was approximately touching the 250 million US dollar, which is about 1 billion, and we are on that way trying to seek our investor to come and invest with us on our three investment strategies, where we put the seed capital and we collect the investors to come on board. And these are our three vehicles that we will go into investment with our projects. We have done a mezzanine financing for one of the projects. Also in Dubai, we have done acquired a strategic asset. That's why I said it's either discounted or strategic, not necessarily discounted, but it has to be an income-bearing asset that will benefit and will give us a higher yield than normal.
Okay. How do you see the residential market changing in Dubai, and what do you think the future holds here?
The residential market is changing. I think there is a huge, and I think Dubai per se did a lot in terms of designing or forming different lifestyles. So I think that will change the residential market concept within the city, and it is changing, influencing other residential markets in the region as well. So you will got a waterfront lifestyle, you got a desert lifestyle, golf course lifestyle. So the life changes, and the residential market changes accordingly to the requirement of the end user. So you can really choose where you want to live and what type of activity the end user wants to get engaged with. Do they want to get engaged with high-rise, high-density area, or with low-density area, low-rise, different lifestyle? And I think all those, with current market after the financial crisis, those price availability, because of price rental coming down, allowed for people to choose much more from a broader, different lifestyle across the city and across the region as well.
The huge oversupply that Dubai is currently experiencing, how long do you think that will be in the city for?
I think we did comparative studies in our research we have done with Singapore and Hong Kong to compare to see what the trends that we anticipate. What we have seen initially is that when we said it takes 24 to 30 months till it reaches a place where we call it a stabilization, I think we are on the way. That's why we do expect this in the next 6 to 12 months to see some more stabilization coming to the market. Therefore, the new stock or the new available stock that comes to the market comes on a very much more stable market. So the new coming in will have also to compete on the prices in terms of what they have available, in terms of services, in terms of amenities, in terms of added value, which will all help at the end of the day the end user and bringing the quality of life on board as well.
Okay. How do you think the increased regulation and legislation may help the Dubai real estate market?
Like any other real estate market in different parts of the world, and if you consider the developed countries previously have done it, if we do it because of the speed of development that we had, probably we may be still lagging with some aspects of implementation. We may have the law and the legislation, but the implementation takes time because we are still considered not a matured market in terms of real estate. So I think the more laws and legislation we'll have will add a lot to the value of the property, number one. Number two, it will give a lot of comfort zone to the end users and transparency which the UAE was very well known for in terms of world ranking as well.